We're having DC's biggest winter ever. Now this was a bittersweet victory for the FBI today.
The Senate is laying the cards on your table.
Gay marriage has its first day in court. A fare increase would really affect Metro riders.
But instead of running for the door, you might want to run to the coffee machine.
They're marching from Philadelphia to DC. Keeping up on shoveling in storms like this is crucial. Give dogs like this stray another chance. After the historic vote on health care Sunday, President Obama signs the bill into law. Healthcare is very personal for Kelly Arianes, who was injured in a horseback riding incident in 2004.
Basically, I knocked myself out and literally almost killed myself at that point. I had emergency brain surgery.
That's when the real battle began, with the insurance companies.
We are in bankruptcy because of my hospital bill.
People gathered here today at DuPont Circle to make sure Congress and the insurance companies are listening to the little guys.
Healthcare is the biggest issue, and we need a national solution.
The activists aren't marching on Congress only. This time, they're taking aim at insurance.
We're here to call them out and say to stop trying to destroy our chance for healthcare reform.
The issue is an emotional one for these demonstrators.
They have denied care, denied coverage.
The health insurance industry puts profits over lives every single day.
Arianes has a simple solution.
I want affordable health care available to all.
The protests may have been directed at the insurance companies, but the future of health care reform remains in the hands of Congress. Dr. Seuss's birthday, and these first graders are enjoying a special type of celebration.
Green eggs and ham.
Some are more willing to try than others.
Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown was among those lending his voice to this party.
Thank you, Sam.
This is one of the things we do where we have direct contact with our students, showing them our commitment to them.
Educators hope books like Cat in the Hat help students learn the importance of reading.
A lot of kids learn how to read Dr. Seuss books first because of the rhyming and, the patterning. It gives children just an extra awareness of how fun reading can be.
The students already have their reasons for picking up a book.
Because I want to be smart, and my dad says I always have to read.
And just like every other party, this one was capped off with a cake and a special visitor. Jim and Ann McEwen are a retired couple. Even as they try to dig themselves out, their concerns turn to others on their street.
Our neighbor across the street, she's 89, but unless she gets someone to shovel, it's hard.
It's very hard
for her.
Their road is a snow emergency route, but the McEwens are worried how effective the route will be in a storm like this.
If there were an emergency in one of these homes, it would be impossible for emergency vehicles to get in here.
Rita Morgan and her husband live up the road and are working hard to keep up with the snowfall.
We started last night shoveling the walk because this is a huge amount of snow.
But Morgan has other concerns.
And I guess my other big concern is whether or not we'll continue to have electricity, because we have already lost 2 trees, perhaps 3 trees. I see one there.
It might be cold and snowy outside right now, but both the McEwens and the Morgans have sun on their horizon.
I guess I'm going to Costa Rica in a couple of weeks, so that will be more fun with the snow.
We're going out to Las Vegas in a couple of weeks. I'm ready for that.